All right. So here in upstate South Carolina is a BMW factory. And we took a chance and went out there for a homeschool field trip. And they have an amazing museum there. They've got some James Bond cars. They've got some of the newest vehicles that they make at this factory, a bunch of motorcycles. But here's the special treat. Oh, there's also a gift shop, tons of BMW stuff there. But the special treat, they have a coffee shop inside the BMW Museum. Very awesome. And this dude, I ordered a matcha. And I was expecting like a Starbucks matcha where it's basically a latte and they dump some green matcha liquid in there and stir it up. And it still tastes good, but it's not quite, it's nothing fancy. Well, I ordered a matcha and this dude he pulled out a bamboo whisk, he pulled out the matcha powder and was like sitting there. Oh man, it was an experience to watch. That video is coming next on this video here, and also a couple of videos I filmed in the museum, so it'll give you a chance to see the museum behind me. But I filmed a couple of episodes of my Strange Places to Drink Coffee series that I do on TikTok. So check those out, but you can see them here. And I hope if you ever get a chance to visit the museum, it's in upstate South Carolina. My farm is not far from there, and so hit me up if you make it out this way. I'll maybe meet you there, and you can buy me a coffee.
Do you want any sugar or anything?
Interesting places to drink coffee. Here at the BMW Museum and their in-house coffee shop. Interesting places to drink coffee. In front of these BMW motorcycles.